Dear students, in this module I am talking about nomenclature of haloalkanes. We have two systems for naming organic compounds. First one is common system, second one IUPAC system. In common system, monohaloalkanes are named as alkyl halides with the prefixes normal, iso, secondary, tertiary, etc. In IUPAC system, they are named as haloalkanes. In haloalkanes, the prefix we use is halo. The word root is alk. Word root gives the number of carbon atoms in a parent chain. Ane is primary suffix. When carbon to carbon bonds are single bonds, we use the suffix ane, primary suffix ane. Let us explain some examples. First one, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. In this compound, you can see chlorine atom is directly attached to a straight chain. So, it has common name N-propyl chloride. In the second case, chlorine atom is attached to middle carbon atom so that its structure becomes CH3 twice CHCl. When a structure has CH3 twice CH end, we use the term iso. So, common name is isopropyl chloride. Next example, bromine attached to the end of a straight chain, so it has N-butyl bromide. The name N-butyl bromide. The next one, bromine is attached to secondary carbon atom. So it has secondary, its name is secondary butyl bromide. Next one, you can see a special end CH3 twice CH. When there is such an end, we use iso. So this compound has common name isobutyl bromide. Next one, you can see a special end CH3 thrice C. Whenever there is CH3 thrice C, we use the term tertiary. So this compound has common name tertiary butyl bromide. Then coming to IUPAC names. In IUPAC names, we have to mention the position of substituent. In the first compound, chlorine is present on first carbon atom. So it has IUPAC name 1-chloropropane. In the second example, chlorine is present on second carbon atom. So IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. Here you can see 4 carbon atoms with the bromine on the first carbon atom. So 1-bromobutane. Here bromine is present on second carbon atom. So IUPAC name is 2-bromobutane. The next one, if you write the detailed structure, you can write common IUPAC name as 1-bromo-2-methyl butane. Next one, CH3 thrice CBr. When you expand this structure, you can give the IUPAC name 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Next, we shall discuss some assignment questions. Write IUPAC names of the following compounds. Consider the first structure. In this structure, you can see the substituent chlorine atom is present nearer to the left end. So, carbon atoms are numbered from left end. This structure has IUPAC name 2-chloropentane. Consider the next structure. This structure contains the substituent bromine atom nearer to the left end, then primary suffix ene also present nearer to the left end. So carbon atoms in the parent chain are numbered from left end. The structure has IUPAC name 2-bromo pent 2-ene. Consider the next structure. You can see the substituents chlorine atom as well as methyl groups are present at equivalent positions on the carbon chain. Then what we do is, carbon atoms in the parent chain are numbered from right end because more substituents are present nearer to the right end. Now, this structure has IUPAC name 4-chloro 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Consider the next structure. Here you can see substituents which are used as prefixes, chlorine as well as methyl group, present nearer to the left end. These two suffixes, chlorine atom and methyl group, are written as prefixes to the parent name. They are present nearer to the left end. But the primary suffix ene present nearer to the right end. Then what we do is, we give more priority to the primary suffix. Whenever a molecule contains prefixes and suffixes, we give more priority to suffix. So carbon atoms in the parent chain are numbered from right end. The structure has IUPAC name 4-chloro 4-methyl pent 1-ene. Consider the next structure. Here, the primary suffix ene is present to its right end. Prefix chlorine atom, it is also present nearer to the right end. So carbon atoms in the parent chain are numbered from right end. This structure has IUPAC name 1-chloro pent 2-ene. Then considering the last structure, this structure has primary suffix ene present nearer to the left end and prefix bromo, it is present nearer to the right end, but we give more priority to primary suffix. So carbon atoms in the parent chain are numbered from right end. This structure has IUPAC name 4-bromo pent 2-ene. Next we shall discuss another assignment question. Draw the structure of the following compounds. First one is 2,3-dibromo-but-2-ene. When we draw a structure, what we do first is drawing the parent hydrocarbon. Here butadiene is the last part. It represents parent chain. So I am writing butadiene first. This is butane. Can be made butadiene by putting a double bond starting from second carbon atom. Then 2,3-dibromo. So I have to write bromine atoms at positions. Second position, second carbon atom, there is a bromine atom. Also another bromine atom at third carbon atom. So this compound is 2,3-dibromo butadiene. Next, we can consider another compound, 4-tert-butyl 3-iodoheptane. The last part heptane represents parent hydrocarbon. So first we have to drop heptane. This structure is heptane. Then at position 3, 3-iodo, at position 3 there is iodine atom. 1, 2, 3. In this position there is iodine atom. Then at position 4 we have tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl group. This is position 4. Here there is tertiary butyl group. This is tertiary butyl group. What is tertiary butyl group? C3 thrice C. So at position 3 we have iodine atom. At position 3, 4 tertiary butyl group. This compound is 4-tert-butyl 3-iodoheptane. Then the next compound is 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. The last part pentane represents parent hydrocarbon or parent chain. So first I have to draw pentane. This is pentane structure. Then methyl group at third position, 3-methyl. 1, 2, 3. Here there is methyl group. Then at position 2 there is chlorine atom. This is position 2. Here there is chlorine atom. This compound is 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane, correct? Then next one is 4-bromo-3-methyl pentatoluene. The last part, pentatoluene, represents parent hydrocarbon. So I have to draw first pentatoluene. This is pentane. Then starting from second carbon atom there is a double bond. Now it becomes pentatoluene. Then at position 3 we have methyl group. Position 3 we have methyl group 1, 2, 3. This is third position. Here there is methyl group. Then bromine atom at fourth position. Bromine atom at fourth position. So this compound is 4-bromo-3-methyl pentotene, correct? Next and last compound is 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. The last part is cyclohexane. This is parent hydrocarbon. First I am drawing cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. Then at first position we have one chlorine atom at first position. This will be the first position. Here there is chlorine atom. Then at fourth position we have ethyl group. This is methyl. Then becomes ethyl group, CH3 CH2. So this compound is 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. With this, today's module is complete. The next module I am explaining preparation of haloalkanes. Okay.